Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? My name is Britt and this is the Banana Diaries. For those of you who are new here, I make a bunch of healthy vegan treats as well as some healthy meals. Mostly it's just the desserts, but this is a how-to video because why not? I'm currently obsessed with my Instant Pot. It's kind of a love affair, I'm not gonna lie. I just wanted to show you all the Instant Pot recipes that we can make together. So if you've been here for a while, you've probably seen my Instant Pot zucchini oatmeal, which I think I'll put, I don't know where it goes yet, so we're still learning this. So I figured why not show you how to make quinoa in an Instant Pot as well. So we're gonna start by first showing you how to make the quinoa in an Instant Pot, which is super easy, super simple. It's done in a few minutes. And then I'm gonna actually show you a fun way to eat quinoa that is not just in a Buddha bowl, because if you're like me, then you kind of get bored of like the same thing over and over again, and you're kind of like looking for something new. I was looking for something new, so I thought, why not turn these into a delicious vegan veggie burger, which is actually protein packed. So without further ado, let's begin.
So we'll first start by making the quinoa in the Instant Pot. So to do this, you're just going to simply remove the lid, and we're going to grease the inside of the Instant Pot with a little bit of coconut oil. This will help your quinoa from burning because it can burn sometimes, so we just want to be extra careful. So we're going to add a cup of quinoa to the Instant Pot. I like to use sprouted quinoa, and I actually use True Roots, which I found you actually don't need to rinse, but other quinoa brands you will need to rinse. And then you add in about 2 cups of water, and we're going to start the Instant Pot. We'll set it to about 1 minute, and then we're going to allow it to pressure cook from there. Now you'll see that I actually also use the custom settings, so that allowed me to turn it down to only 1 minute. And after letting the quinoa sit for about 10 minutes after it's cooked, you're going to release the pressure valve and then remove the lid, and your quinoa will be completely cooked inside. Next up, you'll just fluff it up with a fork, and then you can pour it into a meal prep container to store for your meal prep, or you can make these easy vegan quinoa burgers, which I'm going to show you how to do next. But seriously, it's just ready in under 11 minutes because you'll let it sit for about 10 minutes in the pot after it's been cooked, and you didn't really have to do anything. It's just the Instant Pot's work. And now it's time for our super simple, super easy quinoa burgers. So you're just going to add about 2 cups of quinoa to the food processor, about a cup of sliced mushrooms, a little bit of parsley, and this is just optional, and then you also add in 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. So really you only need a few simple ingredients. I gave a few options to add in some herbs that you want to spice up the quinoa burgers with, but truly you don't really need much at all. And then I also added in a 1/3 cup of cassava flour, and this will just help the quinoa burgers bind together and then be grillable as well. So now we're just placing the patties onto a greased parchment sheet paper on the baking sheet, and we're going to form them into about 4 patties. Sometimes you can get 5 out of the batter, just depends. And then we're also going to lightly brush them with coconut oil on top, and this is just going to help them crisp up a little bit in the oven so that they don't taste bland and they actually taste like a burger. And you can also grill these as well. It's just going to be less baking time, which I've put that all down in the post linked in my description box. And now we're just going to serve our veggie burgers. So I made some homemade cassava hamburger buns. I haven't fully worked out the recipe yet, so stay tuned for that, but it's coming. But you can also just enjoy these as is. I actually love them plain with a little bit of sugar-free ketchup, or you can put them on a vegan hamburger bun if you know of any. I actually don't know of any vegan hamburger buns, but you can also use an English muffin or some sprouted toast. And it's the perfect option for a vegan dinner option at a barbecue or a cookout.
Alright, let's see. That's so good. There's no like attractive way to eat this, but it's really good. And there you have it. How to make quinoa in an Instant Pot. It's so incredibly simple, and then also how to make these easy, delicious quinoa veggie burgers that are perfect for this grilling season. Also, you can make them any time of year because you don't necessarily need a grill. I just personally love a grill, but I don't have a grill on me, so we made them on the sheet pan. Do whatever you feel like. So to find the how-to instructions as well as the recipe for this quinoa veggie burger, you can head to the link down below in my description box, thebananadiaries.com. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know how it goes down below in the comments section. I always love to hear how these creations go for you because I'm always trying to refine and tweak and make sure that they are easy and accessible to all of you. And if we are not friends on Instagram, be sure to go follow me there at @the_banana_diaries, where I share a bunch of healthy recipes on my stories as well as a little bit of the behind the scenes of what it's like to be a food blogger. And yeah, I think that's it for now. I think we're all good. So go make these quinoa veggie burgers, and I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Remember that you are an incredible human being. You deserve to be here, and I am rooting for you always. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!